Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and I have a quick drill for you to develop your Tai Chi footwork. And now all we need for this is a pool noodle, all right? Let's go get to work. Okay, so before we work with the pool noodle, remember this is only going to be for a Tai Chi step when we're stepping forward to our bow stance from our balanced position. It's all about having the weight distribution on this leg when we step out before letting the toes drop and then shifting forward. Now, all we're going to do is just simply put the pool noodle on the ground. We're going to put our heel, or we're going to put a ball of our foot on top, and then we're just going to sink down on our supporting leg and extend our front leg to roll it all the way to our heel. Once you're done with that, you just roll back. Now, if I put too much weight distribution on this and I lean forward, this is like when we step already full on this leg. So what I want to do is make sure at this point not to get stuck with my weight forward. And if you don't sink down on the supporting leg, all you're going to get is just about an inch of movement on here. Again, remember, a lot of this is going to be from sinking down on this leg, keeping the hip forward, and then extending the leg out forward as we do it. So we have still no weight on this leg. Work on this, make sure you practice both sides, and then you can start putting more of a focus when you're actually stepping out to the bow stance in the same manner before letting the toes drop and then shifting forward. All right, so there you go. Now you can see how weight distribution is affected when you guys are stepping out with your Tai Chi footwork. No matter the hand technique that you're doing, the footwork is going to be the same when you're stepping out for a bow stance. And you can definitely see when you have too much weight on the pool noodle because it'll compress and be tough to roll. And you can see how far you're sinking down because of how far you're able to roll the pool noodle out. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys next time.
Bam! Fist with a forward.